So with gray bathroom walls, one of the first things you want to take into consideration is what shade of gray are we working with? Does it have cool undertones to it, or is it a gray with kind of warmer undertones? And that's going to really help guide us in the direction that we want to go with vanity cabinets. Really, with kind of any warm or cool undertoned grays, white's a pretty safe option if we're going with just a nice neutral background, but whites, just like grays, are going to come in various tones. So again, we want to be looking at what are our undertones to that color. Are they warm or are they cool? You also want to take undertones into consideration when you're considering a wood cabinet, a wood stained cabinet to go along with gray walls. Definitely wood can bring a nice warmth to the space, but we don't want it to go contrasting with walls. You can find woods that have a nice gray undertone to them to really add warmth into your space and breathe a new life into it. You can also really go any direction with colors in your vanity if you're adding to gray walls. A really trending color right now is a green. So you can bring in a nice soft green to really complement the gray walls. You know, adding a white countertop to go along with that really helps brighten the space and make it feel just really nice and fresh in your bathroom every morning.